Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is July the 4th, 2019, and I wanted to talk to you about the Twinny Rose Snapdragons here. And this is one of my Twinny Rose Snapdragons. Now you can see they have some spent blooms here, and they're trying to produce the seeds. You take these here off, it will keep your Snapdragons blooming. So now Twinny Snapdragons are a double butterfly type Snapdragon. So instead of having like the normal Snapdragon bloom, they actually have a complete double flower on them. And they're very pretty. You can mix them with lobelia and put them in containers. I have these mixed in with petunias. And these get about 12 inches tall. And they're pretty tough plants. They can stand up to heat and rain, so that's a good thing. And being that they're a little bit shorter, you don't have to worry about like trying to try and stake them up so that their blooms don't fall over. They stay kind of nice and compact there. And Twinny Rose Snapdragons come in multiple different colors. So it's something that I really enjoy growing. They have really neat blossoms on them. It's something different. It's not kind of the same thing as like some of your other flowers. Now you can mix this with alyssum too, and you can use these as bedding plants. They work really well for that. You can put them in window boxes. You can put them in planters, containers. You possibly could put these like in a hanging basket if you wanted to. Now they do like full sun. They will tolerate some part shade. Now if you're in a really hot climate, you might want to give them more shade so that they don't burn. So these are one of my favorite dwarf Snapdragons to grow. There are some other varieties out there. Now these, to my knowledge, are hybrids. I haven't found any info that they're open pollinated. So if you did collect seeds off of these, they would not seed true. They would start reverting back to whatever they were crossed with. Now Snapdragons are frost tolerant, so you can put them out sooner than your other plants. And you just want to make sure that they get established. And I have had Snapdragons already actually make it through our winters here in Pennsylvania, and they did come back. Now they were planted in the ground. So these over here, you can see these blossoms here are just coming, and these right here are spent. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to nip this off right here, and then it'll keep them blooming for me. And I did want to show you this. This is another variation of the colors of the Twinny Rose Snapdragon. So you can see these here are a little bit different color there. And you can see the mixed in with the blue lobelia, it just is so gorgeous. This is the Crystal Palace lobelia. I did videos on my channel for how to grow that from seed. And the Snapdragons, they were started from seed too. And here's some more Twinny Rose Snapdragons here. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. If you have, please don't forget to hit the little notification button. It'll tell you when I put a new video on. You can also follow me on Twitter. I have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a nice day. Bye!